In this video, we're going to talk about the pieces of our drum kit. So this is a 5-piece drum kit. We have the snare drum right in front of us here. We have the kick drum. Call that the kick because we kick it with our foot. We have tom number 1, which is the highest pitched tom. Tom number 2, which is a little lower. And then the lowest pitched tom is tom 3, also known as the floor tom. Those are our 5 drums. On top of that, we have our cymbals. So we have our hi-hats here. If I lift up the hi-hat pedal, we get a more open, crashy sound. We have a crash cymbal here. We have a second crash cymbal over here. And we have a ride cymbal. Some drum kits may have more cymbals, they may have more drums, and in some cases, drummers use less, but this is a standard 5-piece drum kit. If you would like to book a lesson with us or come see us in person, you can visit us at eliettemusicacademy.com.